Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Activision Blizzard Inc. And if you are looking at this particular stock, there is a steady upward movement that has been seen in this stock for the last couple of years, and since 1994 lows till now the stock has already given you a return of 44,000%. So let's discuss about this big opportunity. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now just focus on the stock. Let me go to the weekly chart where you can see the swings much more clearer than the monthly one. So if you are looking at this weekly chart, so here is your trend line, I would say. Right, this is the trend line 1, 2 and 3, right? Here is a simple trend line above which the stock has taken support multiple times, and big swings, very big swings have indeed been initiated from these levels. So here we are, our base levels. So let's first understand this before going any further. So what do we have here is 69.79, which is your immediate support, and we have 57.55 as our stop loss. Now understand one thing, that because we are looking at a long-term chart, the levels will be quite distant apart from each other. Apart from that, you need to wait for your level, because this is not like, or if you have that expectation of 2020 or early 2021, then it's going to be a problem where 1,000% in a month, or obviously sometimes in a week, is a reality. That moment is or that market phase is not there right now, so you have to trim down your expectations. Anyways, don't go below $57 on the downside, and on the upside, considering this as a base. And meanwhile, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It will definitely appreciate me and boost my confidence. So here we are. So this is how the trend looks like. So if it continues to sustain above 69, the first range we have here is in between 167 and 197, and top of that, if there is an exceptional rally, then the big range that we are looking at is in between 240 and 335. So we have long way to go if you are looking at the weekly chart. So if you can wait, you will get your big rally going forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.